Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 31st, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I still am very bullish. I still think this is a wave 3, and I still think the most likely place for a wave 3 to go is the 161.8. So I still think this is going to end up going up to that 161.8 before it makes a wave 4 and potentially goes back up and makes a big wave 5. So keeping all that in mind, taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this right here is a wave 1. I still think this is a wave 2, and I think we're just in subdivisions of a wave 3. I still think this little consolidation area right here is just a crescent, and I still think it's going to make its way up to that 161.8 when it's ready to finish off a wave 3, like I was showing, eventually make a wave 4, and eventually go back up and make a big wave 5. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I keep looking at this 5 waves right here because that should be telling us that this is a wave A. Even though this is kind of a higher high right here, I think it possibly is a wave B. And if that's true, this move down right here could be a wave C. Wave Cs do normally take out the lower wave A, so just be aware that it could go down more. It possibly could end up looking something like that before it ends up going up. But sometimes wave Cs do make higher highs. And if it does go up and if it does break structure, that should be the end of a trend, and it should be the continuation of the higher wave 3 uptrend. So heading down to the 4 hour time frame, like I said, if this does go up, if it does break structure, I think that confirms that this is the end of a trend. And if this is the end of a trend, it's probably the end of a wave C and probably the continuation of this bigger uptrend. There's definitely no evidence that it's done that yet, and it possibly could make a lower high. It possibly could make a lower high and end up continuing back down. Like I said, most wave Cs do take out the lower wave A, so it's definitely possible that it does end up going down to make a bigger, proper ABC correction. So heading right down to the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on here. I'm actually still long on gold from yesterday. This was a trade that I did share with all my members at the time of entry, which was this entry right here at the end of this candle. I'm still long from yesterday. I still think that this right here is very corrective, so I'm looking for a Fibonacci bounce. We had a little spike reversal at the 50%, so I was thinking that maybe that was right there was the low, and maybe this is actually going to start an uptrend. Like I said, I'm looking for a break of structure. If that does break structure, I think it confirms it's a wave C, and I think it confirms that we're back into an uptrend. If it doesn't break structure but goes up and makes a lower high, makes it positive down, that's going to confirm that this is not a wave C and that we need to exit our longs and go short for the continuation of this downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you want access to my swing trade setups and my daily live trading sessions. As always, thank you and happy trading.